Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create content fields in the designer. A content output can be used to add titles, standalone labels, images, or any other content that is not an input. Just like any other module, drag and drop a content box from the left-hand menu to where you would like to place it. Once in place, we can click the module to change its configurations. When the module is selected, you will see dashed lines around it, and this will bring the contextual menu on the right. Press the Edit Content button to modify the module properties. In this space, we can enter text or copy an image. The usual controls for editing text formatting can be found on the top of this page. Text style, color, alignment, and other properties can be changed by selecting here. Press the paperclip icon to go to the hyperlink menu. Here we must first enter the text this hyperlink is to display, and then enter the URL. Pressing Insert Link will add a new text with the chosen hyperlink. Pressing the image icon will bring the Insert Image menu. From here, you can select an image from your computer to add into this box. Alternatively, you can enter the URL for the image. Videos can be embedded into this module by clicking the camera icon and entering the web URL there. If you'd like to manually code the contents of this module, click the icon with angled brackets. This page will allow you to change the HTML code or add your own. The Help menu found under the question mark icon will show a list of available shortcuts. When you're done, press the cross-shaped icon to leave the Edit Content page. This content box can be made hidden or visible based on the result of a cell. Selecting By Value of under the Visible option and then pointing it to a Boolean field will allow you to control this behavior. If the result of the cell is true, then the content box will be visible. If it's false, the content will be hidden. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes to this output. We can also insert name ranges into a content field from our workbook. Begin by entering double curly braces. As you start typing in the name of a field, the system will give you all available named ranges. The formatting of this label can be changed by adding a colon after the field name and choosing from the options that come with the dropdown. Entering a semicolon after the formatting part will let us choose the rounding level. Choosing the first option, for example, will round this value to 2 digits after the decimal. Remember to close the double curly braces.